Hi guys, welcome back to the video. So in this video we are going to see how we can create primary text, heading and description for our Facebook ad. So let's leverage the power of ChatGPT for that. Okay, and let's mention all of our requirements. So what we did was we wrote a complete prompt that says, so we run a successful freelance marketplace and we want to create an ad for Facebook. The brand name is this. Please write heading, primary text and description, keep it brief and use emojis. So the point is we have also kept the entire prompt not so wordy because we are currently recording the entire course. However, as you can see, ChatGPT still managed to give out amazing reply. So fuel your business with the brand name, unlock top-notch freelancers and supercharge your projects on the brand name, find the perfect talent. And it has also used this emojis, so basically it will look more catchy and will catch uh, the the entire liking of the audience that we are targeting. Okay, so description and everything looks good. What we can also do is we can ask ChatGPT to give out 10 more options similar to this. All right, and once all of the options have been displayed to us, what we can do is we can select the ones that we can mix and match and select the ones that are suitable, and accordingly we can upload the options over here. Okay, so that is all that is required. We also need to upload our website URL as well as the display link. So anything that we want over here, we need to display the link as well. Okay, and what all things that we want it to do and the kind of tracking mechanism that we want it to do has all been selected, pre-selected over here, that we are going to look at very soon. Now there are a few recommendations. Let's click and review the recommendations. Help your ads fit on the specific placement. So obviously, since we are directly taking down all of the dimension from the Facebook's website, we are going to do that. And the same goes for add more text and images. So all of these three recommendations will be taken care of, will be ticked off by default once we add the media, the ones that we created on Canva, the videos as well as the images, and the entire text that you saw using ChatGPT can all be used to create the Facebook ads. One major thing that you need to look at and make sure that you have is that the landing page where you are sending all of the traffic to should have a particular disclaimer that the page does not belong to Facebook. Or if you're also running the page, if you're also running the Google ads, just make sure to include the keyword of Google as well, that it does not belong to them. If you are selling or showing off some income proofs, make sure to explain it, give out that description or that disclaimer as well, that all of the income proofs are your personal and does not specify that any person is going to earn the kind of amount that you portray. All right, so I hope this video made sense. In the next couple of videos we are going to look at some of the hygiene tasks that we needed to do before launching the entire task, before launching the entire ad. So thank you so much for this video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. Thank you so much.